Question number 1.
She drinks a cup of coffee every morning. A. Drink. B. Drinks. C. Drank.
Question number 2.
They playing basketball yesterday. A was B were C are.
Question number 3.
He did his homework on time. A. Does B. Did C. Do.
Question number 4.
We never seen that movie before. A. Has B. Had C. Have.
Question number 5.
The teacher teaching history. A. Are B. Is C. Amy.
Question number 6.
My shoes yesterday evening. A. Polished. C. Pabo E. B. Polishes. C. C. Polish.
Question number 7.
She reading in the library now. A. Where B. Was CC. Is.
Question number 8.
They very happy yesterday. A. Was B. Were C. Are.
Question number 9.
He football every Sunday. A. Plays B. Played C. Play.
Question number 10.
We going on vacation next week. A. Was B. Or C. Are.
Question number 11.
She already completed the work. A. Have B. Has C. Had.
Question number 12.
They waiting at the station yesterday. A. Did B. Or C. Do.
Question number 13.
I happy to see you. A. M. B. Is C. Are.
Question number 14.
The kids playing outside yesterday. A. Was B. Or C. Is.
Question number 15.
He bought a new car last year.
Question number 16.
We busy with homework now. A was B, were C, R.
Question number 17.
She was at the park yesterday. A is B, was C, R.
Question number 18.
They already left the house. A has B, had C, have.
Question number 19.
He hard every morning. A studies, B studied, C study.
Question number 20.
The dog barking last night. A are B, was C, is.
Question number 21.
She puts her phone on the table.
Question number 22.
They practicing for the game. A was B, are C, is.
Question number 23.
I met my cousin last weekend.
Question number 24.
He goes to the office daily. A goes B. Went C. Go.
Question number 25.
We classmates for years. A was B, are C, is.
Question number 26.
She always speaks politely. A, where B is C, was.
Question number 27.
They not agree with the plan. A, do B, does a C, did.
Question number 28.
He was very late yesterday. A is B, are C, was.
Question number 29.
I ready for class. A, M, B, is C, R.
Question number 30.
We dinner at a restaurant yesterday. A, ate B, eating C, eat.
Question number 31.
She standing outside. A is B, was C, R.
Question number 32.
They gone to New York in 2019. A have B, had C, has.
Question number 33.
He does his homework daily. A, does B, did C, do.
Question number 34.
The stars shining brightly. A, shine, B, shines, C, shone.
Question number 35.
I washed my clothes yesterday.
Question number 36.
She cooking dinner right now. A was B, is C, R.
Question number 37.
They a new bike. A, had B, has C, have.
Question number 38.
He late yesterday. A is B, was C, R.
Question number 39.
The students studying for exams. A, are B, was C, is.
Question number 40.
We visited the zoo last summer. A, have B, did C, has.
Question number 41.
She dancing yesterday evening. A, was B, is C, were.
Question number 42.
They going to the park now. A, are B, is C, was.
Question number 43.
He already written the essay. A, has B, had C, have.
Question number 44.
The kid's very noisy. A, M, B, is C, R.
Question number 45.
I my project yesterday. A, finished B, finishes C, finish.
Question number 46.
She's sitting near the window. A, are B, is C, was.
Question number 47.
They already traveled abroad. A, has B, had C, have.
Question number 48.
He jogging every morning. A is B, was C, R.
Question number 49.
We were watching TV last night.
Question number 50.
She very smart in class. A is B, was C, R.